Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Transit oil light. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This is a crucial first step to access the vehicle's diagnostic mode. Also, make sure all your vehicle doors are securely closed. This helps prevent any interruptions during the reset procedure. Getting these initial steps right ensures a smooth process. Now, with the ignition on and engine off, fully press and hold both the accelerator and brake pedals down simultaneously. You will need to keep both pedals pressed for about 20 to 25 seconds. During this time, your dashboard display should show a message like Service Oil Reset in Progress. Be patient and maintain steady pressure on both pedals. Continue holding the pedals until your display confirms Service Oil Reset complete. Once this message appears, you can release both the accelerator and brake pedals. Next, turn your ignition completely off. Then, turn it back on again to verify that the oil change light or message has successfully been reset and is no longer displayed on your dashboard. If the oil light remains on after your first attempt, simply repeat the entire reset procedure from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a second try to register correctly. For specific model variations, always refer to your Ford Transit owner's manual for detailed instructions. And speaking of smart choices, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. It's a fantastic resource for financial wisdom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.